Morning guys, Barry Potts here with MarineMax Brick. Today we are showcasing the 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat is outfitted with a quantum blue hull side, white Mercury outboard, white sport arch, and this one has a really nice quantum blue fiberglass insert for the sport arch. This gives it a really nice full look. This is outfitted with the stone gray sea deck on the swim platform, as well as inside the cockpit here. Come with me, we'll step on board. Stepping onto the 270 SDX, you're immediately going to notice this really nice lounger back here, comfortable to lay down on and sit up on facing back. These right here are adjustable, makes it really nice so you're lounging out the back of the boat. Freshwater shower, head unit to control your music from the back of the boat. Side entry step coming onto the dock here. Flowing through the boat, following the lines of this really nice sea deck here. Plenty of seating around, removable table that sits right here. And when you're entertaining, the seats flip-flop back and forth, creating a lot of space for everybody. And when you're driving at the helm, flip everything back and you're facing forward. Spacious head compartment here, pump out toilet, freshwater sink. And on the bow, you have really nice seating, adjustable armrests, grab handles on each side, and this boat is outfitted with the stainless steel automatic anchor windlass. At the helm, we have a 12-inch Simrad display here. Trim tabs to level out the boat while you're driving. Digital fly-by-wire binnacle here, and your automatic active trim, which is really going to help the boat perform the way it should. That is a 2024 270 SDX here in Brick, New Jersey. See you guys on the water.